welcome back to the channel. In this video here, I'm going to change the exhaust on this Nitro, and this is a Nitro RS4 Evo now. It's not the Evo Plus, you know, it's just a standard RS3 Nitro. If you see the video there, there's a wee bit of pipe broke off the exhaust, so I managed to get a second hand one on eBay. The reason for it is because what do you call it, when it hit second gear flat out, it seemed to cut out, and I tried it so many times to try and get a speed test, and I done a tweak and tuning in the carburetor. It still didn't any different. The only solution I can find is, see this broken pipe, I think there's air getting in the pipe, and the carbon dioxide is trying to get out of the pipe, you know. So that's why I got this here second hand. So I'm going to change this here to see if it makes any difference on the top end, because I can't seem to get top end. Let's just get a thing plugged in and see how we get on. All I had to do, there's a wee screw there, so you just screw that out. And then there's two table ties, but one has been cut, so there you go, that easy peasy. There's a breathing pipe for the tank. I think she's running very rich, guys, but how do I get a cloth there? It's really bad. So get a wee snip. Some of these parts are very hard to find, guys. I mean, it is a very old kit. So there's the rubber. Happy days. Let's see if we get the new one in. See the difference, guys. You know, the air is getting in and the carbon are trying to get out. I think that's what causes it. That's why the pipe's such diagonal there. Diagonal, so the air's not getting inside. So don't forget I plugged that bad boy in, and probably a better sound this time. Right, a wee quieter noter. And then screw that bad boy. So there you go, that's see how the exhaust sits. So quite a lot of these exhausts broke. I don't know what causes it, but they seem to break a lot. I had to get some table ties. Got a couple of nice orange ones. So couple of these snaps. So there we have it, guys. Let's see if we can get that thing going and see what that thing sounds like. Right, guys, it's kind of raining a wee bit, but we're trying to get that thing sorted. The weather's not great at the minute, and it's a wee bit windy. It's a lot quieter. Hey guys, welcome back. Now guys, you've seen this here Nitro performance. Perform it really well. More rev, more torquey. I know it's a while different, plus it's a wee bit quieter, but at the same time I like the broken one because it's a nice sign off it, a really nice note, you know. It's like a two-stroke scrambler with a broken exhaust. Sounds really well. I know it's loud, but it sounds really well. But it doesn't perform very well, a broken exhaust, you know. So there you go guys, it's all made some different, it really does. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, think about this. Say you're in a car, somebody's car, driving to a shop or anywhere. Screw down your window and you tell me how much air gets inside your car. That's what this here exhaust was doing. It's just too much air getting in there, and that I think that's why I couldn't get top end. Air's trying to get in, the carbon dioxide is trying to get out, so we're fighting against in the middle there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this here, me changing the exhaust around, watch a wee bit of performance, and guys, I'll catch you in the next video, and stay tuned, hit the subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.